Hi friends, welcome back everyone to day number 27 of our live trading campaign. The quote for today is very beautiful and I felt I should mention this quote. The quote is, no matter the situation, never let your emotions overpower your intelligence. Friends, you would have seen my last previous videos also, and we had back to back losses. We almost had 3 days consecutively without any profits, and then I trust me, almost 50 to 60% of them got panicked and all were like, no sir, there is continuous losses and we stop because market is not performing good, so our strategy is not working good. And many of them told me this excuses and told that no, we'll start from Monday, let us not trade on Friday and all those things. But one thing which I kept on telling is, control your emotions, control your emotions, control your emotions. Never give up, never give up. As long as our money management is perfect, never give up. And fortunately we came back with the profit, and we had higher profit as well because of the slippage. So this is how the journey is. Today's video you will come to know this quote is very much important. Never let your emotions overpower your intelligence. If you feel that you're doing the correct thing, your strategy is perfect, if you have a very good edge against your trade or against your opposition, then don't worry, you will come out successful. Okay. And just wanted to give you a quick update about our options trading tactics. Almost every one of us have reached into profit this month already. We have more 13 days, 12 days for expiry, but still already at this situation, that is half midway, we're already with good percentage of profits. And just want to give an update for all those of you who are following it, that if you're a safe trader, you can start booking a profit, or otherwise, in case if you're doing paper trade as I told you, then wait till end of the month if you want bigger profits, or if you want to see how the trade is all about. Okay. So the stock which we traded was Reliance. This is nothing but yesterday, because you all know I'd record the videos end of the day, and then or the next day and record and post it. Okay. So this stock is of this day stock is of 15th on Friday. Yeah. So Reliance was a stock. So Reliance came as a savior for us. A continuous 3 days non-profit day, we recovered with our Reliance. So the target is 8 rupees, and the stop loss is, let us calculate, 0.4%, which comes to 5 rupees. Yeah, decent enough for Reliance. We don't have to panic much. And the quantity, again, as I told you, loss divided by stop loss, it comes to 200. So quantity is 200. Fine. So this is how we place our OCO orders, or nothing but the bracket orders, nothing else to be done. So similarly, let us place the trap for our sell order as well. Even if you identify whether the market is going top or market is going down, don't worry, don't go to predict ahead. Anything can happen in stock market. You all know it's an emotions of people. That's the reason we keep both the orders, buy or sell. We are identifying whether the stock is in a trending phase or whether the stock is in a ranging phase. Okay, so you can see the two orders have been placed. That's it, nothing else to be done. And then you can leave for the day, and then next day, sorry, not next day, after the market close, you can see at around 3:45, we just have to look into the screen, and then you can see that as expected, Reliance, the sell was triggered first at 1350 and bought back at 1342. In fact, it went till 1321, but never mind, we are happy with our money management. If we get 1500 profit is enough. So today we got more than 1500, this 1600. So without wasting time, quickly we have to update into our Excel. It gives lot of confidence to you, so that you can track your journey. You can see that Reliance has clearly given us edge against all other trades. So we had 3 days without any profit. ICIC gave us 0, Infi gave us loss, S-Bank gave us loss, and this was a time which was very challenging, and many of them started stopping, quitting, because day 27, that is on 15th March, people, it was on Friday, and people are thinking that we'll continue from Monday once the market is back with a bang. But then all those who continued the same journey, those who listened to my guidance and continued, were able to make the profits. So this is what even I'm telling you always, don't quit any strategy, don't quit, try it for a long time. And that is why this live trading is all about. It shows you the emotions, it shows you the control which you need to have to control your emotions, it shows you how to implement your money management skills, risk management skills, and everything. Okay friends, hope you're liking it. Any other doubts, any other confusion, you can always WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. And also just want to give an update, the returns which I got, I don't want to share the screenshot, or I don't want to share the video, because it's again giving mixed responses. The figure is lucrative and I don't want to give mixed reactions again to you all. But let me tell you, everybody have made 3% to 5% returns already with our option tactics, because strategy is not important, adjustments are very important. Thank you and have a nice day.